Then we have the idea that do they oxidized? What is the reaction with oxygen? So reaction with oxygen gas. Now with oxygen gas, these metals, what will they do? They will oxidize. They will make ionic bond. Okay. And they will release a lot of energy. Now, some of them will obviously do it much faster than the others. And the reason they're doing that, we have already seen, they'll release electrons faster, it takes less energy to do that. So with oxygen, potassium is going to form potassium oxide. With the magnesium, oxygen is going to make magnesium oxide. With iron, oxygen is going to make iron 3 oxide or iron 2 oxide. With copper, oxygen is going to make copper oxide. But the difference is simple. You need this. Okay. No, wait, this should be 4. Okay, now it's balanced. But what's the difference? This is going to be slow. This is going to be fast. That's it. Just like we saw earlier on, this is exactly going to be. This is a black solid. That's another thing you need to know. This is a black solid. This is a white solid. And the idea is again that this one does not have transfer metal, so that's why it is not giving a colorful substance. But again, when this happens, you see a lot of flame coming out. That flame will be much brighter with magnesium and very less bright with copper. In fact, the best way to do it with copper is to make copper powder. Usko छोटे-छोटे pieces कर लेंगे. So it reacts. But silver and gold will still not react. And that is one reason people have valued gold for many, many thousands of years. Why? Because gold does not react with oxygen. What does that have to do with anything? It's simple. If something reacts with oxygen, it is difficult to preserve it because oxygen is all around in the atmosphere. तो उसको अलमारी में भी रखेंगे तो वो react कर सकता है. But if something does not react with it, then you can keep it forever and ever. और जब उसकी जरूरत पड़ी आप उसको साफ किया and you use it. So in the Egyptian tombs, we can still find gold and you just have to wipe the dust off and it's good to go. It's good as new. So that's why people have valued gold for a long time because you can keep it safe. Okay, that's it. So with oxygen, same thing happening. So we can go back to our table that how is the reaction with oxygen going to be? So reaction with oxygen is going to be vigorous. It's going to give us bright flame here. And the reaction is going to be really slow by the time we get to copper. But these do not react.